All right, this is an update on Procore usage and utilization. In this video, we will be covering the usage for technicians as well as subcontractors regarding progress tracking. So, first of all, in case you're not familiar with Procore, you're gonna use this top toolbar across the top of your screen. It's gonna give you the ability to navigate to whichever project you're working on. For today, we're gonna use this AKT 1769 as our sample project. And whenever you open up a project for the first time of the day, it's always best practice to refresh it. So you're gonna grab the top of the screen, swipe down, and that will refresh it from the home page. You'll see where this All Tools header is. If you swipe down from the top, you'll see it says last updated just now, and then it flashes back to All Tools. Before you get started, you need to go into Drawings and update that page as well. You do the same thing, just swipe from the top, hit the sync button if it's available. You're going to go back to your Tools, bottom left-hand corner. It says Tools for your project tools. You're going to find the punch list tool, so right here for me. And once again, swipe from the top down. You'll see this download attachments option. Select that cloud to download all attachments. And you're going to go back to your project tools. Because what this does is it downloads the punch list item attachments so that when you go to your drawings tool, you will see them populate there. So once again, I'm going to sync this one last time and we're good to go. All right, so for technicians and subcontractors, whenever you begin a project or step foot on site, it is likely that the punch list items will have already been dropped onto the drawings for you. Is what I mean by that is these little thumbtack items. Each one of these is a punch list item. Punch list items it can be confusing terminology because typically punch list items are given to us by a general contractor or something of that sort. We are proactive, so we make our own punch lists and be sure that we're holding ourselves accountable rather than a general contractor or a client having to go out and look at our work and pick out all the little things that we have not finished yet. So we take the initiative, we go ahead of them, and we find everything that we need to complete still. All right. However, these punch list items are different. These punch list items, if you take all of them and add them all up together, they make our scope of work for the entire project. So I believe this project has 60 or so of these punch list items, and we drop them onto the drawings pages so that they're easily accessible in the field. So, you guys could be using an iPad. You'll see, you probably can tell from the video here that I'm actually on my phone. I prefer to use the Procore app on my phone. I just think it's easier.